This is Belle Alba, Editor-in-Chief at Gadgets Magazine. Hello and welcome to another episode of Gadgets TV. We are here to deliver the most relevant topics in tech, lifestyle, and motoring so you can stay up to date with the latest news all in one place. First off, we take a look at the world of tech in Circuit Break. Realme Philippines will be rolling out exciting online promos, sale events, and a music festival this August as a way of showing its gratitude for the successful launch of 7 new smartphones and its accessory lineup in the first half of the year. Among the activities lined up are the Forever 21 Fashion Challenge, the 8.8 online sale, the Realme Mobile Legends Cup Season 3, and the Realme Music Fan Fest. From August 6 until August 26, fans can join the Forever 21 Fashion Challenge by showing off their fashion style in a TikTok transition video. A Realme device and several F21 accessories would be given away during the announcement of winners on August 26. On August 8, Realme will be participating in the 8.8 sale events of Shopee and Lazada with discounts up to 30% and some other great deals. On August 12, Realme will be officially launching the third season of its inter-community tournament, the Realme Mobile Legends Cup. Capping the month-long celebration will be an online music party on August 28, featuring some of the country's top musical artists. NBA fans will be able to watch NBA TV right from the very first tip-off through the NBA.smart portal. This is part of a multi-year partnership that will make NBA content more accessible to millions of Filipino basketball fans. Still on its beta phase, it will be initially accessible on select mobile browsers. On the portal, Smart Signature customers just need to key in their smartphone number to generate a unique ticket code for the season. Smart prepaid subscribers who are registered to any Giga Video promo may also avail of this privilege. With their unique ticket code, they can then start watching the NBA TV Philippines. Through NBA.smart, subscribers can watch the games anywhere, whether they are at home, stuck in traffic, commuting to work, spending a mini break at the office, or waiting in line for an errand. To help the Philippines bounce back from the pandemic, Canva Philippines joins the Digital Bayanihan initiative of the Bounce Back Global Movement that aims to train 10 million entrepreneurs, educators, and leaders in government and the private sector. The Digital Bayanihan initiative will build the Philippines' digital human capital backbone by enabling Filipinos to acquire world-class validated digital competencies. Bounce Back will integrate the courses in Canva's Design School to strengthen the creative competencies of certification programs such as the Certified Digital Entrepreneur, Certified Digital Educator, and others. Canva and Bounce Back will be launching a Canva Certified Digital Creative Certification Program that aims to ensure that the quality of digital professionals are anchored and validated on world-class creative competencies. Recognizing Filipino creativity, Canva's guidance will empower entrepreneurs, educators, and leaders in government and the private sector to drive the full digital transformation of institutions in the country. Now, let's take a pit stop and see what's going on in the world of mobility. In mobility news, Land Rover is celebrating the new Defender's debut across 12 countries in Asia with a special online broadcast on their Land Rover Asia Pacific's YouTube channel tonight, August 7 at 9 p.m. An icon reimagined for the 21st century, the new Land Rover Defender is clever, capable, safe, and in a category of its own. The unmistakable silhouette is familiar yet new. It looks tough and is tough, but designed with purpose and engineered to excite. Beside the peerless luxury and refinement of the Range Rover family and the highly capable and versatile Discovery SUVs, the new Defender completes the Land Rover dynasty. Singaporean adventurer Roz is hosting the digital reveal, which explores Land Rover's history and how the Defender was reimagined and engineered for the digital generation. The new Defender is being introduced in Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Hong Kong, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Brunei, Malaysia, and of course, the Philippines. That's it for Pit Stop. According to scientific estimates, about 80% of branded plastic residual wastes found in the ocean are from food packaging. Republic Cement has partnered with fast-moving consumer goods companies to help achieve plastic neutrality by using post-consumer plastic waste as an alternative fuel source in their cement manufacturing operations. The plastic wastes are burned at 1,400 degrees Celsius in a chamber to recover the thermal and mineral properties that provide the energy needed to produce cement. This co-processing not only converts residual waste plastics into productive cement, it also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, decreases waste handling costs, and supports sustainable solutions to address the country's plastic problem. Republic Cement has established partnerships with local government units including the City of Manila, Valenzuela, Paete and Liliu in Laguna, Norzagaray and San Jose del Monte in Bulacan, Teresa Rizal, Taysan and Lipas City in Batangas, and San Fernando, Lubao, Sasmuan, and Mexico in Pampanga. With the pandemic continuing to disrupt our lives, the logistics of testing for the novel coronavirus remains an issue nationwide. The PCR swab test yields the most accurate results, but is expensive. The rapid antibody test is more affordable, but poses problems as the presence of antibodies are often detected in the later recovery phase when opportunities for clinical intervention have passed. A new antigen test offers a solution that is quick, accurate, and affordable. According to Firstline Solutions, the local distributor, antigen testing detects fragments of proteins found on or within the virus by using swab samples taken from the nasal cavity. Although not as sensitive as the PCR test, the new antigen test is easier and cheaper to administer. It does not require expensive equipment and trained specialists. It can yield results in 15 to 30 minutes, making it more suitable for testing in workplaces, in the communities, and in remote locations. And that's it for today's installment of Gadgets Magazine TV, your rundown of the latest news and features in the world of tech, lifestyle, and motoring. Catch us online on Facebook, YouTube, and the Gadgets Magazine website on Tuesdays and Fridays. See you next time!